ASEAN Integration, Teachers' Perception and Its Implication in Classroom Pedagogy, presented by Emily I. Quintos, Crystalline A. Ronato, and Joyce C. Panganiban. The ASEAN was founded by 5 founding fathers: Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, and Philippines. It was later on joined by Brunei, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, and Burma. Education plays a key role not only in nation building, but especially in this age of globalization that demands closer cooperation among nations in strengthening cultural ties that bind countries in the ASEAN region by developing a broader understanding of history, culture, values, and traditions. Thus, ASEAN integration is very essential to achieve lifelong learning. The Philippine government had already committed to the vision of the ASEAN community as a part of ASEAN neighboring countries, ABAD 2014. ASEAN integration is very important to produce globally competitive citizens, ABELGAS 2012. The teaching ability of teachers needs to be continuously developed so that teachers have competitive abilities in ASEAN economic community. Ali Imron et al. 2020. The researchers conducted mixed methods by administering the online survey to the selected Araling Panlipunan teachers. The level of awareness was identified through survey responses using the Likert scale. Also, ASEAN integration in classroom pedagogy was determined through document analysis, and the correlation between the demographic data of the respondents and their level of awareness of ASEAN integration was distinguished by Pearson R.
The graph illustrates that the majority of the respondents fall under career stage 3, wherein they consistently display a high level of performance in their teaching practice and manifest an in-depth and sophisticated understanding of the teaching and learning process. The results prove that the most respondents do not understand ASEAN integration and are not aware that they need to integrate it into their curriculum. Also, integration in all parts of the lesson was seldom done by Araling Panlipunan teachers and seldom incorporated in video lessons and into classroom pedagogy in terms of weekly learning plans and assessments. Acosta M. 2016 states that education in the Philippines has its struggles in terms of delineation since the educational system is now shifting its paradigm and strategies to address the needs of the citizen of the country. The study concludes that there is no significant relationship between the career stage of Araling Panlipunan teachers and their level of awareness of ASEAN integration, which is consistent with the other findings from the study. As revealed in the study, it is recommended that Araling Panlipunan teachers should undergo training for professional growth focused on ASEAN integration. Thus, teacher professional development will also serve as a strategic step in improving the quality of education that is capable of producing superior and competitive competition in the ASEAN economic era.
The level of awareness of Araling Panlipunan teachers in ASEAN integration resulted in SELDA. It can be a hindrance to ABELGAS, who stated in his 2012 article that ASEAN integration is very important to produce globally competitive citizens. Thus, it is still a long way before we become fully ready for integration. The ASEAN integration level of awareness of teachers is very essential to provide quality education to produce graduates who are ready to compete globally. Teacher professional development is needed as it is a strategic step in improving the quality of education that is capable of superior and competitive competition in the ASEAN economic era. It is recommended to enhance the knowledge of Araling Panlipunan teachers with regard to ASEAN integration. The Division Office may conduct a reorientation of Araling Panlipunan teachers to the vision and mission of ASEAN in education. capacitate and train Araling Panlipunan teachers in crafting weekly learning plans and assessments aligned with ASEAN integration.